In today's video, I'll teach you how to change team name in Fantasy Premier League. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in fantasy.premierleague.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Fantasy Premier League. You'll be able to find various options over here. If you click on the option pick team, you'll be able to view your team over here. You'll not be able to change the team name from here. So if you want to change the team name, for that what you have to do is click on this help option. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the help interface. Make sure FAQs is selected. Now in this interface, simply scroll down. Now in the section for managing your team, you'll be able to find this question, how do I change my team name or the team I support? Simply click on it. Now over here you'll be able to see the answer. You can change this information on the team details page. Click on this option, team details. Now you'll be led to the team details interface. From here you'll be able to change the team name. Over here you'll be able to find the field for team name. Simply click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to edit the team name. Simply erase the initial team name. Now after that, what you have to do is enter the new team name over here. Now after you enter the team name, click on this option, update details, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your details will be updated. Now go back to the pick team interface. Now you can see over here your team name has been changed. So that is how you change team name in Fantasy Premier League. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.